Morning everybody, happy 5 Fact Friday. I'm Charlie Lambden, this is Moving Home with Charlie, and today, coming to you from just outside New Broadcasting House, BBC, where I've just been in for a meeting, talking about the housing market. Hopefully more to come on that soon, but today, the links are below. I can't show them on screen today, but I want to get this done. Number one, first fact of this week, and remember 5 Fact Friday is 5 pieces of news that have happened in the last 7 days. You can verify for yourself. So all the links to what I'm about to say are below. First fact is that Zoopla's house price index for September came out this week, and amongst other things, they said that UK house prices have fallen for the first time since 2012, with prices down 0.5% over 12 months ago. Never mind what I think, just bear in mind that both Halifax and Nationwide say that house prices are down 5% over the same period. Excuse me while I sneeze. Oh, excuse me. The other point in the Zoopla house price index was that asking price discounts are at 4.2% on average. That means the discounts being accepted by sellers below asking price to accept an offer is 4.2%. That doesn't ring true to me, so I asked Richard Donnell what he thought, exactly how he measured that, and he told me, excuse me, he told me that that's measured based on the price that goes in on the initial mortgage application. So I did a survey of mortgage brokers on Twitter and found out that almost 2 out of 3 of their initial mortgage applications either fall through or are reduced, downvalued and put at a lower price. So therefore, that 4.2% below asking price as an average accepted price is significantly over optimistic, I think, and I think the asking price discounts are actually much larger. I'd put it closer to 10%, but I don't have any data to back that up. And he goes on to say that UK house prices are on track to fall on 2 to 3% over the course of 2023. When you ask about how that's measured, you find out that actually it's I just can't see how to substantiate that at all. Now, next fact, that was fact number 1. Fact number 2 is that planning applications are down 14%. This is Gov data, right? Planning applications, they received 92,500 for planning permission, 14% from the same quarter a year earlier. That's for quarter 2, these figures. And also, householder development applications, which is householders asking for planning permission to do something to their existing house, down 18%. So fact number 3 is that Bloomberg's reporting that banks are wary of London housing projects amid $1 billion value drop. And in that article, they've talked about, word for word, dig a bit deeper and even greater destruction is happening to the land values. In a downturn, land usually declines by more than the properties built on it, in part because developers have to beef up profit margins to protect against any further price declines during construction. So they're expecting further price declines. So that's fact number 3. And number 4, 30% of mortgage holders forced to sell or have already sold due to interest rate rises. So this is another Bloomberg story. They surveyed 3,000 mortgaged homeowners. Almost a quarter of British mortgage holders are considering selling up after the surge in borrowing costs, threatening to pile pressure on the struggling housing market. Just under a tenth of mortgage holders have already sold and moved to a cheaper property in response to the surge in interest rates, according to a survey released on Thursday by KPMG. Okay, so that was fact number 4. And fact number 5, the Financial Conduct Authority came out with statistics on mortgage lending for Q2, and the value of gross mortgage advances in 2023 Q2 was 52.4 billion, which was 32.8% lower than a year earlier. So there's a 32.8% reduction in gross mortgage advances over a year earlier. This was the lowest observed since 2020, the pandemic. So guys, thanks very much. Sorry for not showing on screen with you this time, but needs must. Didn't have enough devices. Have a great weekend. See you on the next one. Bye guys.